So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to receive overdraft protection here on the Scotiabank application. So once Scotiabank's opened up, go to the home screen in the bottom left, go to where it says borrowing, and then press on start borrowing. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can discover different ways to, receive loans or lines of credit. So where it says borrowing right here, we'll just slide down to where it says loans and press on that. Once you're here, it'll bring you to loans for overdraft protection. Simply go ahead and press on apply now. It'll then bring you to the next page right here, which it's going to show up in a couple seconds. Here we go. So there's overdraft protection. So you can go ahead and select the bank account in which you want to add overdraft protection to. Then you can go ahead and press continue to proceed with the process of receiving overdraft protection. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to receive overdraft protection here on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.